Good.
Now we can discuss one of the good business opportunity, that is e-commerce store owner. What he will do and what are the benefits we can discuss now. Do you create, collect, or curate anything special? Consider starting an e-commerce store and turning your hobby into a full-time job. Whether you need somewhere to sell all that pottery you have been making, or an excuse to search for the sports memorable you love tracking down, e-commerce store can make it financially viable for you to pursue your passion. So e-commerce stores also very good. E-commerce stores owner, what he will do is, particularly they may have certain particularly they may have particularly they may have their own website, and they can do the business online with e-commerce store. And some people will take the franchise from very big e-commerce sites, that is amazon.com and flipkart.com, and so many eBay are there. All these will do very good franchise works. They will have, but in especially Flipkart and Amazon people will give stores to particular different people. For one product, one store. For another product, another store. For sports wears, they will give one contract, one e-commerce store contract will give to one stores. They will supply according to the Flipkart or Amazon. If they book anybody, they will transfer the orders into that e-commerce store, especially sports. Sometimes some people will interesting in plantation, so that they will maintain potteries, and they will maintain plants, and the nursery work also will be done. They will maintain that only. That will be tie up with Amazon or otherwise Flipkart also. They'll likewise they can increase their business. They will take some commission, and you will get your own profit. Likewise, you will get very good things. And Amazon people and Flipkart people already they will explain what is your margin and our margin, and how the price will be there. Everything they will explain to you clearly, so that e-commerce store, so many types are there. Sometimes only pharmaceuticals they will, medical store they will maintain. One is a plant pottery store. One is another one is sports wear, and another one is another food products. Someone are vegetables. Likewise, all will come in e-commerce, and the e-commerce online portal may be the same, but they will distribute their work to the so many store owners for their work process, and they will get a very good business also. What they will do is, suppose anyone is asking on sports wear means, online they will book. By that, what they will do, they will transfer that orders to that particular e-commerce store for sports, and they will pack and they will send to the customer. Likewise, it will do. So, likewise, so many things also can be done. What is your interest? According to your interest, you can start one e-commerce store. But before that, you should have a tie-up. And at the time of tie-up also, they will see your store and your habits and your process and your interest and commitment. And they will explain what will be the cost of you, and which cost is profitable to you, and what is the margin to our Amazon or Flipkart, whatever it may be, and they will have some margin. So they will have around 10% of the margin, and 10%, 20% will go to the manufacturer. Likewise, they will explain everything, and they will take photos also. They will take measurements and everything, because they should put in their online the cost of the product, and the size of the product, and flexibility, and lifetime expiry dates, and everything they will write in that. They will come, Flipkart people, or otherwise if you are selecting Amazon, Amazon people will come and they will select everything. They will read the product details and quality control also they will do themselves, and they will also have their third parties also will be there for seeds production and all these also. They will provide third party scientists or quality control team will come and they will check everything. If it is good, they will give tie up through Amazon or Flipkart, whatever the e-commerce is popular. eBay is also very good portal, and by that also you can take the tie up. By that, any stores you can maintain, you will become an e-commerce store owner. So by store ownership also, you can get a very good business, and very good source is there, and you will get coolly by sitting in your home and in your location, not only by your home, but in your location you can do the business. And it should not be in a center to the market and road front, likewise it should not be there. In a particular location, comfortable transportation is there for vehicles, then not vehicles, that truck or car or otherwise some jeep, if it is there, they will accept it. Likewise, you can increase your e-commerce store business also. By that, you will become a good e-commerce store owner, and you will get very good benefits, and your life will be prosperous. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.